Hello from Slovenia again. I have an idea to do something different for me today. I will use a chain, and since you probably all know Molly from Molly's Artistry. She's doing amazing waves, and she did one painting with the clouds and everything, I don't know, last week probably. So, but she do it with the blow dryer. I'm not good at Dutch pour technique at all. This is still my goal, to do a Dutch pour that it will be decent enough to call it Dutch pour at all. So I just look at my paints here that I have mixed, and I thought, let's play a little with this chain that Mel sent me, and I'm not good at chain pulls neither, so 2 times challenge for me today. But I think that that's how we learn, if we challenging ourselves. So I put my white background down, and I don't know, probably I still have too much paint on it, because I know that this is a problem, at least for me. And I will do just, I don't know, some drips of some colors here, some yellow, and of course I will use my pearl white, you know that I will. And some magentas, just to add a little, I don't know, something, and I will do kind of a swipe with it. I will list all the colors into the description box, so if you will want to see which colors I used, you can check there for the colors. And I will add some blue too. This is indigo blue, and I hope that I will not get too much green out of these colors here when I will swipe them. But it's just a playing day. So I will just grab my palette knife and just do this. Probably I don't have enough paint here on the, I will just add a little white. Swipe over. And you probably can see some cells kind of lacing popping out from pearl white, but I think that I will add a little of my pearl white here and some of this indigo on top and maybe some violet, and just try to do one more swipe here. You see, I'm really not good at all these techniques, but okay, I will leave it like it is. Maybe I can tilt this a little to get some kind of wiggly lines, maybe that they will look more like a sky or something. And I think that I need a little more here, so let's add some more of these colors here. Where these cells come from, I don't know. And now I will stop with this. And this will be kind of my sky or something. Looks like I have silicone in one of my paints. But I still don't like this little part here. Oh, let me grab maybe just a tiny, sorry guys, but this is just first time trying this, so where is my we'll just try to swipe this part once more. Okay, more like I had in my head, but I want one little swipe here too. Okay, and no, I will just try to draw kind of a wave now. Okay, no, it's not okay. I would love to have a little different shape here, but as I said, first time trying this. And I can already see that I should have done more. You see, negative space here, so I will just background space, what I said. So I will just add some more paint here and swipe this once more. But maybe with my napkin, not with the palette knife. So let me grab another piece of napkin, and then I will go with my Wave once more. I wish that I would a little pearl white. I wouldn't go right away on camera with this, but okay, more like it. So let's fix this line here. Okie dokie. So, and now I will just try to add some blues here around. This is indigo, and I have greenish blue, and I have Prussian blue, and cobalt ultramarine blue, and of course I don't want to forget about my pearl white. And I have iridescent blue-green. I'm just thinking that maybe I will just go with this pearl white here. Okay. So you see, oops, and I'm not in the frame. Why didn't you tell me? I'm so into this painting that I didn't realize that I'm out of frame. Okay. Yes, way too much paint. See? Way too much paint. So what can I do? What will I do is I will grab some napkins and try to swipe this. I will definitely stop. I will torch this a little bit and probably I should have do a swipe from the beginning. I'll just add white here because I see canvas through. Let me take you for a close-up. See, I did get nice effects with this pearl white, but I just couldn't fix this. But I like this look with, maybe I will do just a sunset swipe or something, but I will keep this and maybe I will like it more when it will be dry. So probably this is a long one, I don't even know how long, but I tried. Tell me what you think. Is it worth to keep or should I scrape this? I kind of like it, kind of, because this is my first wave. Maybe I just didn't start the right way. So this is it, and see you on the next one. Bye.